Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. The Nokia 7 Plus has just arrived in the office, so let's check it out. Inside the box we have the phone itself, the SIM tool and some paperwork, a transparent plastic case, the 18-watt Nokia charger, which promises to be quite fast, the USB Type-C cable, and some classic 3.5mm earbuds. So, now that we have the 7 Plus in our hands, let's do a quick rundown of its top 5 features. First up, the build. Nokia has gone out of their way to make the 7 Plus look and feel premium. The all-metal unibody is solid and has a matte coating that covers up antenna lines, and those copper accents on the edges really catch the eye. Next, the screen. This is actually Nokia's first screen with a tall 18:9 aspect ratio. It's a full HD IPS LCD, and though it's not P-OLED like the Nokia 8 Sirocco, it still looks quite nice. We'll have to see how it holds up in our tests. Camera and audio recording. The Nokia 7 Plus is also Nokia's first mid-range phone with a dual camera setup. The secondary camera is telephoto and should allow for 2x optical zoom. Also, the 7 Plus has 3 microphones that can record 360-degree audio, like last year's Nokia 8. Video recordings should sound great. Big battery. Inside the 7 Plus is an impressive 3800 mAh battery. A battery this big should keep you going for quite a while. And finally, stock Android. Fans of stock Android will be happy. This is an Android One phone, so even though you don't get that many proprietary features, you get a fast and bloat-free experience and the latest security updates. So there you have it guys, our full review is in the works. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.